Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make carrot cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then into a small saucepan, add the butter. And then place it over a medium-high heat until it's melted, stirring it occasionally. Then once it's melted, keep it over the heat for a few more minutes until it turns brown. Now, brown butter has a really nice nutty flavor to it, so that's what we're adding to this carrot cake. It can bubble up a lot, so it can be hard to tell when it turns brown, so watch it carefully. You can remove it from the heat if you have to. So once it's turned a nice brown color, remove it from the heat. Then pour it into a liquid measuring cup so that it cools quickly. Then set it aside for now and let it cool. Then into a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add the cooled brown butter that we made earlier, canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract, and whisk them all together until they're well combined. Then for the carrots, wash and dry them and then grate them using a box grater. Then measure them out and be sure to also compact them in. Then add them in with the wet ingredients. Then add in the crushed pineapple. You can use canned pineapple, just be sure to drain it really well, or I'm using thawed frozen pineapple and then put it into a food processor. And add in the dry ingredients. And mix them together until they're combined, but be sure to not overmix the batter. Then grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with nonstick cooking spray and pour the batter into the pan. And bake it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. Then to make the cream cheese frosting, in a medium bowl, add the softened cream cheese and softened butter. And beat them with an electric mixer for about a minute until they're smooth. Then sift in half of the powdered sugar and mix it in on low speed until it's combined. Then once it is combined, beat it on high speed for about 30 seconds. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar and Mix it in on low speed until it's combined. Then add in the vanilla extract and beat it in until it's combined. Then finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then once the cake is cooled completely, simply frost the cake with the cream cheese frosting. And that's how to make homemade carrot cake. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.